my God. This is so weird. I don't even, Words, Ashley, words. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a very exciting, huge moment for me. I have officially gotten my own place and I moved all of my stuff out of my room and out of my house today. This is so weird, I hate it. This entire week has been so emotional and so exhausting, and we just moved everything in. Nothing is set up or decorated right now, but I am officially filming in my new place. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me there. I'm giving them a little bit more of a sneak peek because it's just easier content to edit and get up really fast. So if you don't follow me there, it's xoMissAshleyNichole, follow me. And you can see like all of the things that I'm doing for the place. But before I get into the whole unpacking and moving vlogs and all of that stuff, which I'm so excited for you guys to see and for me to start filming, I really wanted to give you the official empty townhouse tour. I love these videos. If you guys like these videos, let me know. I can definitely kind of start leaning more towards the like home decor genre, but again, you guys let me know how you feel about that, and let's get into it. When I first started looking at places, I was looking at 1-bedroom apartments, and I quickly realized I need more room than that. I work from home, and I need at least an office space where I can like actually like lay out all of my work things, my computer, set up my desktop, all of my podcast equipment. And then because I just love hosting and I love having friends over, I really wanted a guest room also. It wasn't a necessity, but it was a huge plus. And something that I was definitely looking for. So by the grace of God, what I ended up getting was a 3-bedroom townhouse with 2.5 baths. Now, if you don't know what a townhouse is, let me explain it to you. There are 4 levels. Yes, that's a lot of stairs. Your girl is going to have a fantastic ass by the end of my, time here. It sounds kind of complicated, so let me break it down for you. The first level is simply the front door and the garage, which this also was a huge plus. I didn't think I was going to get a garage. When I was looking at other places like condos and stuff like that, I got a parking spot. Sometimes it was a covered parking spot, but it definitely wasn't your own personal garage. And I am so thankful that I have that. It just feels a little more secure and it feels a little more safe, especially since I'm going to be living alone. The garage is attached to my unit, so I don't have to walk outside by myself. I can simply pull into my garage, close the door, and walk into my living space, which is so nice. And I am so grateful for that. So that's the first floor. The second floor is this open concept kitchen living room area. It is airy. There are, let me see if I can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows and a sliding glass door all on the second floor. So it is fantastic lighting. Everywhere I look, there's just fantastic light, which is so great for me because I'm constantly trying to get content for you guys, trying to take pictures for Apparel, and I just need good lighting. Also, it just feels good for my soul. My soul loves good lighting, so I'm very excited for this space. It does have a tiny patio attached to the living room area. It's perfect for like 2 chairs and a small little table for like coffee in the morning or wine or something like that, but nothing too crazy, just the 2 chairs, which I think I'm gonna get from Amazon. Because I don't need anything fancy. If there's one thing I love about this place, it's the black accents. Everything, the light fixtures, the metal hardware on the cabinets, the railing up all 4 flights of stairs is all black, and even the faucets are black, and everything has this like kind of chic black accent tone, and I'm living for that. I think it is the first place I've ever been that has black accents, and I like it a lot. So I think I'm definitely going to be leaning into more black accents. Maybe that's artwork, maybe that's furniture pieces. Actually, one definitely is because I already purchased that. I'm just excited to see how everything looks once I get it all in place. And that is the second floor. Going up to the third, there's a closet next to a half bath, which is just like the toilet and sink, and that's it. I love every bathroom here because they all have this beautiful, beautiful tile on the floor. And I just I've never lived in a place that had fun tile like that. And I think because the rest of the place is so modern, that tile gives it like a nice touch. So going up the third set of stairs, there are 3 bedrooms and the laundry unit. The laundry unit is to the right, and then we have 2 bedrooms next to each other on the left. The first bedroom, I think I'm going to make my office. I would love your guys' opinions on this, so comment them down below, but I'm envisioning maybe like an L-shaped desk. I have my desktop that I haven't been able to use for a while. I also have my laptop that I use religiously, more than my desktop. And then I have a bunch of podcast equipment. So I was thinking it might actually be really nice to have an L-shaped desk centered to the room where I can keep my desktop up so that it's available, but I have room to bring my laptop up, to set out some recording equipment so me and Taryn can record for the podcast. Just a little more versatility, I think. So let me know what you guys think on the desk option. I'm on the verge. I have like 2 in my head and I can't decide. So let me know what you think about that. The next room to the right is gonna be the guest room. This is just gonna be a simple like bed, 2 nightstands, and probably that's it. I might put like a plant in the corner, but I'm not envisioning much for that. I'm just gonna keep it simple. I wanna have a nice spot for friends and family to be able to crash when they come and visit. And then in between those 2 bedrooms and my room is a bathroom, and this is the guest bath. It has the shower, toilet, sink, the whole shebang. It's a full bathroom, and it has the same beautiful tile that I'm so excited about. And then guys, I cannot reiterate this enough. I have never had the main bedroom in a house, apartment, whatever. I've always just had a bedroom, and that's fine. No complaints about that. But I have so much room, I don't even know what to do with it. I have my own walk-in closet with way more space than I've ever had in my life. And then my own bathroom, again with the same tile. I'm obsessed with it. But I'm mostly just excited because my room is so much bigger. I can fit so much more things in there. I can walk around easier. It just feels and radiates big girl vibes. And I, you know, being 32, I just feel like this is something that I've been waiting for such a long time. I'm so excited to finally have it. And then the absolute best part of my place is the rooftop. I share my rooftop with my neighbor, and it just has this beautiful panoramic view of the city. I can see the Hollywood Hills on one side, I can see the mountains on the other side, and then because I'm nestled in a neighborhood, there's just a lot of greenery and trees everywhere I look, and it is just such a nice breath of fresh air. When I was originally looking at places, my boyfriend asked me like, what's one of your non-negotiables? And I said I needed an outdoor space, whether that's a patio or a rooftop or something. Like I need to be able to sit outside comfortably, like in my pajamas, and not feel vulnerable that people are gonna see me, and just like soak up some sun, because I need that. I feel like I would be depressed if I didn't have something like that. And I just feel so blessed because not only did I get a patio, but I got a rooftop, and it's just absolutely perfect. There's a few options that I can do on the roof. I can easily do like a table, I can do a hammock, some lounge chairs. I think what I'm leaning towards is a couch, possibly even like a U or L-shaped couch that faces where the sun sets, because I'm picturing myself up there with friends and a bottle of wine and just watching the sunset and enjoying that space. The only thing that I need to get that it is, I think, going to be a necessity is I do want to get some kind of like faux plant dividers or standalone privacy fences or something, just to kind of like keep my space from there so that I can let Chloe up there and not have to worry about her jumping on their furniture or peeing on their side of the roof. I want to be able to like let her run around. So I think I'm gonna order those, and I just cannot wait to enjoy that space and show you guys how it turns out. And honestly, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching my empty townhouse tour. If you have any decor suggestions, please comment them down below. I am like in desperate need of your guys' opinions, and I take them very seriously. I'm gonna need artwork, I'm gonna need vases, I'm going to need so many little things to bring this whole thing together and feeling more homey. So anyways, that is the end of my townhouse tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Get ready, because I'm about to be giving you guys so much moving content, like unpacking, shopping, like decorating, all of those things. I'm so excited to be doing it, to be in this new chapter of my life, and to be taking you guys along with me. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will be coming soon. Okay, bye.